How to delete Snapchat account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account within the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to delete our Snapchat account, the first thing we need to do is open up the Snapchat app on our iPhone or Android phone. Once you have the app open, select your profile icon in the top left of the app, and then once on your profile, select the gear in the top right to open the settings. Now that we're in the settings, scroll to the bottom of the My Account section and you'll see Delete Account. Select Delete Account. You might have a pop-up come up, go ahead and select Continue. And as you can see, we are now brought to the web browser within Snapchat that will allow us to delete our account. So scroll down, go ahead and make sure that that is the correct username for your Snapchat account, and then enter your password. Once you've entered your password, select Continue. And as you can see, there is no way to instantly delete your Snapchat account. It will be deactivated. However, if you do not log back into your Snapchat account for the next 30 days, your Snapchat account will be permanently deleted. So now you can close the app, and as long as you don't log in the next 30 days, your account will be deleted after 30 days. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.